I'm going to be showing how to make Airdry clay jewelries, basically Airdry clay earrings. For this I need a dark gray color and a golden color. I don't have a golden color, that's why I'm going to mix these three colors and kind of making golden yellow. So I'm taking a little bit. I'm going to make only one earring, like a pair of earring. So I'm going to take a little bit. I'll just show you. This is a lemon yellow. This is orange. And a little bit of red. Let's mix this and see. I'm going to mix this yellow too. I hope it will look like golden color. Okay, now this is the color I was going for. I will take same amount of gray. Don't keep the jars open, it will go dry. Work it nicely, it's very smooth. If you don't mix it properly, it will stick to the base here. This is a silicone sheet. So I'll keep it together. I have two sizes of rings here. One is little bit thinner and one is little bit thicker. So I'm going to use thicker rings because this is a very smooth clay. So it will be good to use the thicker rings. It doesn't matter if the dividing color is like it is a straight or it has any other shape. I just need two colors, so I'm just going to roll it. I'm going to keep it just straight on this line and cut it. I'm kinda eyeballing how much length or width I need for one earring. Now I have 4 pieces of it. I'm just going to make the edges smoother. There's no problem, like this is very smooth clay, we can handle it very efficiently. You can use it for any other project. You can use it as a gray color. Just store it. This dries depends on its size and thickness. It may take 12 hours to 24 hours. I will check it within 2-3 hours and I will turn it. It will dry completely within 12 hours, or if it won't dry, I will keep it for summer time, then I will do the earrings. Now this is after 24 hours. Now it's completely dry, but still it's bendable because it's not a hard clay, it's a foamy kind of clay. Now I have 4 pieces of it. I'm going to stick together 2 pieces and make one earring out of it, and while sticking it, I'm going to keep a eye pin in the between like this and stick it. To stick it together, I'm going to use a simple quick glue. Let's keep aside for 5 minutes until it dries completely. Now it's completely dry. This is not waterproof, so we can make it waterproof. There is some options like you can coat it with the clear acrylic spray, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to coat it with resin. Today I'm going to use this resin. This is available in Amazon, and I'm going to use this mini UV light to dry it. We can dry it outside with the sunlight directly, but today I'm going to use this light. Be very careful while applying resin. Do not touch it. Gently spread it. And keep it under the UV light. For at least 5 to 10 minutes. It switches off after 30 seconds, so on it again. Do it until it's completely dry. Then you have to do it on the other side. It's best to cover all 4 sides and the pin side also for the better protection of the pin. Let's do that. Now it's dry at one side. You can see the shine. Nice. Now I'm going to do it at other side. Now both are dried, all the sides. Don't forget to cover the pin sides for the extra protection. Hold it, both of them separately. Be careful. Don't cover the eye pins. Just cover the gaps. Now don't lay them directly on the mat. Just hold it for 30 seconds. Now you can lay them down until it dries completely. Now these are ready to go. Hard as rock. You can keep it simple as this, but I like to go a little extra. I'm gonna wrap them with this 0.5 mm copper wires. I'm gonna cut 6 inches. Two pieces of it. First I'm gonna hold it down here and stick it with the glue. You can do it also with the resin, but for now I'm going to stick it with the Quick. I have wrapped it one piece at one side. I'm holding it tight here. I'm gonna put a little resin here. And hold it under the UV light. Now it's dried and secured. With the other piece, I'm gonna wrap it around at the back side of the eye pin and secure it with the resin too. The tip of it ended at the side. I'm gonna coat it with the resin. And dry it under the UV light. Now beautiful Airdry clay earring piece is ready. I'm gonna do same with the other piece also. Now these both are dry. It's wrapped now. It's time to attach the hooks. You can use these kind of hooks, but today I'm gonna use this bar stud. There's already a pin. You can add one more ring here, but it will turn this side if you use only one ring. So I'm gonna attach this bar stud directly to the pin. Now earrings are ready. If you like the tutorial, please like and share. If you have any suggestions for me, please leave a comment.